Okay, now we can solve some CET questions or competitive exam questions. Question number 9 in multiple choice question number 9. What will be the balanced equation in acidic medium for the given reaction? And they give 4 equations and they are all balanced one, but which is most correct you have to check. And now I told you have to check the equation and at the end charge on the what LHS RHS must be equal. And in option 1 they give a dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO2 plus 2H plus gives rise to 2Cr3 plus 3SO4 minus 2 plus S2. Yes. Now first you see, but in equation they give in question here number is not given and what is H plus not given, and here number is not given, this is not given, but it is incomplete equation, but complete equation such species are given about 4 options. In all the 4 options you check, but first option this one. Now you check whether this is correct or wrong, balancing the equation. First you check about the number of atoms, 2Cr, correct. Then sulfur 3S, then oxygen 7 plus 6, 13, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. CrOS balanced, then H, 2H, yes, 90% work over. And finally, it means we checked LHS atoms and RHS, both are equal, but what about charge? In some cases, charges are unequal. They may give here 1 minus and here 2 plus. Then we cannot balance those reactions. But charge on these here, minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Here, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Here, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 100% yes answer first. But like this, they give 1, 2, 3, 4 options, but correct option this one. If it is 4th option, you have to check again option 1, option 2, option 3, and finally you are getting last one. But luckily you are getting this one. In this question, first option. But all the options you have to check and see in the second option, give one example. Second option, 2Cr power 2 minus. They give here 2. And it should be 4. Okay, 4 is given. Then 3SO2. Right side 3SO4. It is also true. 4Cr3 plus. Here they give 4. But when you count the charge, minus 4 plus 4 0. Then 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Right. In right side, left side 0, right side plus 12 and minus 6. So you get answer plus 6. Right side plus 6 and left side 0. Therefore it is unequal. But seems to be a number of atoms equal, but charges are not equal. Like this you have to check in case of balancing the redox reactions. Then question number 24. Compound given is CrO5. Oxidation number of Cr. Chromium atomic number 24. Argon configuration 3d4s, 4s to 3d4, 18, 20, 24. This is chromium. Then oxidation number of chromium, maximum oxidation number of chromium 0, 0. 3d. Last oxidation number of chromium is +6, and similarly for S, atomic number 16, it can lose 6 electron, means it is a neon configuration, S +6. So remembering these topics, but sulfur last oxidation number +6, chromium last oxidation number +6. But in this molecule, oxidation number of Cr, x plus 5 into minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus 10. It is wrong. Because more than 6. I told chromium should be +6 last. And +5, +4, +3, +2, +1 allowed. But +6 also allowed. +7, +8 and more than +6 not allowed. So this type you have to calculate. But if you get answer more than 6 for chromium, and then you think it is having peroxy linkage. Then you have to draw the structure of this compound. But if you are not able to draw the structure, then you can guess answer. Yes, maximum oxidation number of that element. Then the answer is 6. Okay. Otherwise, draw the structure and calculate. No, see here. CrO5. O-O, it is peroxy linkage. This has to be peroxy linkage. If it is peroxide and O, therefore -1, -2. Or this I told based on this one. Direct -1, -2, +6. Cr +6. Otherwise, we can write like this: x plus -2, 1O and 4O equal to 0. But this 4O -1, 1O -2 and x equal to, again we will answer same. That's why I told you in short, -1, -2. Total -6, this one +6. So if you draw the structure, there is a peroxy structure, then you can answer. And same type question appeared in 2019 what competitive exams, and that one question number 65 practice paper. Question number 65. What is the oxidation number of Cr in CrO6? Here in this molecule, in this question paper they give CrO6, not CrO5. What is CrO5? One is double bond, I told you. But here, what is CrO6? See how to write. Means in CrO6, all the three are peroxy linkages. Therefore, -1. Cr +6. Otherwise, 6 into -2, -12. X equal to +12. Yes, for confusion. Yes, what they give to confuse this question. The first option -6, second option +12, third option +6. Fourth option +4. Means 12 also there. And some students they can write direct 6 into minus 2 minus 12, therefore actually plus 12. But you should know about the chromium. Last oxidation number of chromium is plus 6 and last oxidation number of S means sulfur is plus 6. Next one more question. Question number 62. Now I told about Br3O8. They asked here the correct structure of tribromo octoxide is. Correct structure they asked. Okay, at the end 3O, last end 3O, in between 2O. And that structure given here correctly is option 3. Option 3. Then now, which of the following reaction are disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation reaction they asked. So these are the recent year papers. Like this, you read any question from redox reaction, whatever I told, synopsis, yes, based on the synopsis plus what notes given, or even NCERT book you can refer. So you can answer all the questions. Okay. Question number 63. And I told disproportionation meaning. One element in the LHS, one element that undergo two reactions. One changed into oxide. That is oxidized product, other is reduced product. Now let's talk about Cl. Cl2 into Cl minus, Cl2 into OCl minus, minus 1 and plus 1. That undergoes two reactions, oxidation as well as reduction. That is called disproportionation. 2 copper plus gives copper 2 plus copper 0. Yes, they give clearly copper plus 1 plus 1 to plus 2 plus 1 to 0. Now only I told about this 0 to plus 1 plus 1 to 0. See here, plus 1 to 0 reduction, then plus 1 to plus 2 oxidation, then copper plus 1 undergo oxidation, copper plus 1 undergo reduction. Therefore, copper plus 1 is undergoing disproportionation. Means option A correct. Then second, B reaction. 3MnO4 2 minus gives MnO4 minus MnO2. MnO4 minus gives MnO4 2 minus gives MnO4 minus and MnO2. Yes, again you check here. MnO4 2 minus gives MnO4 minus and MnO2. In this species, 2 minus 4 2 is 8 minus 8. This side plus 8 minus 2 plus 6. MnO4 minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 equal to minus 1. Therefore, plus MnO2 plus 6 to plus 7 plus 6 to plus 4. Increase in, decrease in. Means B also 2. Therefore, they give option A, C, D, A and D, A and B, A, B, C. Means in all the reactions you have to compare only it matches only with A and B, not with C and D. You can take homework for C and D. Because in C and D, what happened? Mn to Mn, Mn to Mn only. Left side 2 Mn, right side 1 Mn. But left side 1 species, right side 2 species. Then option C, MnO4 minus plus 7, then plus 6, 4 into 2 plus 6. But in both the cases, decrease. In option C, decrease in oxidation number, occur. Therefore, only reduction occur, not both oxidation reduction. Then we cannot consider such equations. Chromium over, then number of moles of electron required to reduce 0.2 mole of dichromate. One more question based on the reaction. Now when you solve recent year questions, you come to know how the question they are setting in case of redox reactions. So how to calculate oxidation number questions, disproportion reaction question, and even paradox reactions, then peroxy linkages also I told. Then 66, dichromate ion to Cr3 plus, Cr2O7 2 minus into Cr2O7 2 minus into Cr. For 0.2 mole you have to calculate. To reduce 0.2 mole of Cr2O7, 0.2 mole. Number of electrons they ask. Number of electrons. Okay, first you try how many moles of electron transfer to convert dichromate ion to what? Cr plus 3, chromic ion. Now in dichromate ion, for 1 Cr, 7 into 2, minus 14. Minus 14 means 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2. Therefore x equal to plus 14 minus 2 plus 12. 12 by 2, 6. Therefore x equal to plus 6. For 1 chromium, when 3 electron transferred to 1 chromium plus 6 become plus 3. But 2 chromium, here 2 Cr multiply by 2. Therefore 6 electrons required. 6 mole of electron required to convert 1 mole of dichromate ion to 2 mole of Cr plus 3. Now using this we can write 1 mole of dichromate require 6 electrons. 0.2 mole require how much? 0.2 into 6. 1.2 mole of electrons. Yes, they give answer in second option. See what it means. I read once again question. The number of moles of electron required. Number of moles of electron required to reduce 0.2 mole of dichromate ion. But to solve such question, you have to apply that stoichiometric methods. Here 1 mole, 6 electron required. See here, 1 mole, 6 electron. And for 0.2 mole of dichromate ion, how many electrons required? Over. This type also we can solve the questions based on the what? Redox reaction and ion electron method. Next. Question number 61. Question number 61. For the redox reaction, MnO4 minus 1 or minus C2O4 2 minus H plus gives Mn2 plus CO2 plus H2. The correct coefficients of the reactants for the balanced equation is, they are asking only reactants. These you have to find out. And today I told how to find what number of coefficients or moles. It's again by writing the oxidation number plus 7. I am repeating today when I told this, again you repeat plus 7, here plus 2, plus 3. for 1 atom plus 4 1 atom, here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, and 7 to 2 5 electron, 3 to 4 1 electron into 2, and 2 right here, and 5 right here, here 10, and S plus S2 don't worry. But they are asking this one. Okay. MnO4 minus column. MnO4 minus column. Option 2, 3, 2, 2 given. That is correct. C2O4 2 minus column. Yes, in option 2, 5, option 3, 16. Then you have to decide option 2 is correct. But H plus, see here, H plus 20, 2 4s are 8, 16. Answer 16. Therefore, it matches with option 2. This is in recent year papers and other questions based on the hydrogen topic. And even sodium tetrathionate question, that is also important question. Sodium tetrathionate, question number 22, multiple choice. But other questions are very simple. Take example, oxidation numbers. Oxidation state of oxygen, question number 36. Oxidation state of oxygen atom in potassium peroxide is theoretical minus 1 by 2. Oxidation number of oxygen in oxygen and molecule is, answer is 0. Oxidation number of C in C6H12O6, calculate and we get answer 0. Like this, many questions which are easy and you can solve based on the synopsis note. Yes, 90% questions you can solve. Okay, which are difficult as they are solving here. Okay. Next one more question I told you, 22. Question number 22. Oxidation number of S in Na2S4O6. Na2S4O6. This is called sodium tetrathionate. Now, when you calculate oxidation number of S, see what happens. Plus 2, 4x, 6 into minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 12 plus 2 plus minus 10, 10 by 4, 2.5. Now we get here average of, see here, there are 4 S atoms, average of that S oxidation number equal to 2.5. But what is the oxidation number of each S in the molecule? Sometimes they will get question like this. Not fraction. If you get fraction, be careful. But in options, if they give one fraction, other is whole number. Yes, better you take fraction 2.5 because it is the average oxidation number and is associated to be paradox. Next one, when you draw the structure of this S4 here, O6, because you know oxidation number of S plus 6 last, therefore 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, O negative, or sodium, you can write sodium peroxide, but it is minus 1. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Here yes. If it is yes, 0, yes, 0. Therefore, oxidation number of S here only on first S, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, plus 5. Here also plus 5. Plus 5, 0, 0, plus 5. Oxidation number of S like this. But when you find average out of 4, yes, average of all the 4 is 5 plus 5, 10, 10 by 2. Sorry, 10 by 4, 2.5. In this question, yes, oxidation number of S in Na to S4O6 is plus 2.5, plus 2 and plus 3, plus 2 plus 3, plus 5 and 0, plus 5 and 0. In bracket they give 2S have plus 5 and other 2 have 0. Means most accurate answer when you compare first option and last option, so answer is 4. So this type you can solve questions on redox reactions, and here important peroxide case, and I told again, means I repeat once again, chromium last oxidation number plus 6, sulfur plus 6, disproportionation reaction, paradox of reaction, and how to balance the equations by oxidation number method or ion electron method. So today only you complete all the questions given in question bank redox reaction, and afterwards I will give you synopsis note on hydrogen topic, and questions will solve based on hydrogen topic, and their important part volume of hydrogen, not studied in detail about volume strength of hydrogen, okay, but others are simple reactions of hydrogen and properties of hydrogen, okay. That will be continued in the next video.